me some funds in here. Oh, you can't shoot the broadside of a barn. Well, you know what? You're a little outnumbered, Marshall.
Hey, you ain't bad looking.
What is wrong with you?
Dang it.
I do declare that young man's been trying to hold your hand all day.
Marty, that's my cousin. Leave her alone.
Oh, look at this, cuz. He's getting ready to come over. Here it goes. Oh, Lord.
That scoundrel? Oh, what is that? We can't even eat in peace around here.
You know what? Hey, let me ask you a question, Marshall. You like the newspaper guy? Well, by golly, come on. Come on, newspaper guy. You know what? I tell you what. Now what you gonna do, Marshall? What you gonna do now?
What? What are you doing with it?
I'm a little nervous here, Marshall. What's going on here?
I don't know.
Well, you know what? I get rid of the folk here in the town that you like, and it's going to be our town because that's who it's run by.
Your town. I got a whole bunch of deputies in this here building.
But
Oh, you don't either. You're just a whole bunch of talk. Now,
You're the one that's talking.
oh, you're right, I'm talking. You know what? I don't much care for you, and I don't care much for...
Put that gun down.
You know what? I'm putting my gun down. You put your gun down.
Put that gun down.
You put your gun down. You know what, Marshall? I can see you.
No, you can't.
I can too.
You better put that gun down.
I ain't gonna put the gun down, Marshall. You got your gun
You
pulled.
got it, Marshall.
You got your... Where'd the newspaper guy go?
You lost your paper.
Where'd the
man.
newspaper guy go?
You lost him.
James, you get out here right now. You get out here right now. Don't you run away from me like you're a coward. Now get out here.
I'm just a poor paper man.
You ain't poor. You got money. What's in your pockets?
Nothing. My pockets got holes in it.
Where's your money? You giving those newspapers away?
No, a lot of people play credit.
I don't believe you. I want your money, and I want it now.
We got some money?
You ain't getting his money. What you doing?
I will too.
You robbing that paper man?
I might be, and I might not be.
Hey, deputy. Back up, Marshall.
I want to check your pockets.
Somebody get out of there. Get me on.
Well, he ain't good. He good for nothing. He don't even have any money.
Oh, he don't.
I'm good. He doesn't even have any money. All right.
Well, you ain't bad looking.
Hey. What is wrong with him, cuz? You know, I don't go. I'm sorry, but I don't go to that side. No.
What?
Sorry.
Hey, we gonna get into it?
Sorry.
You ready? You better get out of the way from them folks over there. Come out here.
What, you gonna do a standoff?
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
I'm tired of your cock-a-doodle.
Come on, Pat, let's take care of it. We don't know what a sharpshooter you are. Just go ahead, guys. Take care of it.
No.
Let's get rid of him.
Okay.
Oh, crap.
Hey, boy.
Shoot it! That's right, boys. Run away.
Like always.
Run away, like you always do.
Chicken Marshall always run. Hey, cut that shoot.
Chicken! Come on back where you came from. You don't mind no business in here.
Come here. Let me see that weapon.
No, you leave him alone.
Let me see that weapon.
You leave my cousin alone.
What are you two shooting at us for?
You know what? Because we
we
run
can.
this town. You need to step it back. You need to step it back. You need to
Hey,
take a step
deputy.
back.
I got your back.
Get got my back.
I got the front. Now get back.
Hey, get
Get back right now.
You boys want to get in this too?
Yeah, Frank.
Put it on her. Come on, boys.
Oh, come on.
Boys. Boys. Come here.
Bad Betty. I'm getting out of here. That's Bad Betty.
What's all these women folk carrying guns? This ain't right.
Hey, Sheriff, that's Bad Betty. You don't want none of that.
Bad Betty. Bad shabaka-laka-laka-loo.
What the?
What is your language?
What the heck?
That's how we talk about it.
What in the part of the country are you from?
Hey, when the hat falls, start
Yeah, that's right, Betty. You get on out of town.
Holding a dang hat.
Too bad it wasn't on his head. Yeah, Betty.